Yes, hello everyone, welcome back again to this video and welcome back again to know Max TV. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create your own chatbot by using ChatGPT. So if you want to be creating your own chatbot, you can be able to use various options to get your own chatbot, but also in these ways I'm going to be showing you how you can be creating your own chatbot by using ChatGPT. So you can be referring to ChatGPT, you can be referring to any chatbot and create your own. So as there are various ways that also can be doing this way I'm going to be showing you does not require you to be having various skills that are going to be requiring you to code any skills. Also going to be generating the chatbot which is going to be helping you to do this. If you did not subscribe to this channel now, Max TV, subscribe today, like this video, share this video to our friends, and turn the button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. As you can see, if you come here and type how to create chatbot, so how to create chatbot, you can see this. Also the information I'm going to be saying, you can see now they can be giving you the hints or the details of what you need to do. So I'll give you a chatbot purpose, decide where you want it to appear, choose the chatbot platform, design the chatbot. Also this one, you can be able to create this one which is going to be working like ChatGPT. It's going to be generating the information that you want so that you can be now doing this. Now, so if you want to be using this way, you can come here in Google search and you type also poly.com. So I'm going to be showing you this way as well. You're going to be using to create your own chatbot. So after creating on this one, they are going to be requiring you to log in. So after logging to our account, you can start now generating your own chatbot. So now let's see how we're going to be creating your own chatbot by using this way. So I'm going to log in with the Google, then so proceed to the next step. So you can see once I got logged into this account, you can see I can be able now to see various chatbots. So if you see now, I have an option here to create a chatbot or to create a bot here. So now what you are going to do, you can be able to generate a poll like this, which is going to be referring to this bot which are here. For example, if I want to be deciding to create this bot, this kind of bot, you see now I have this one option for creating my bots. So if I am going to be also creating this one, I can be able to refer to, for example, I created my bot which is this one. Also now you can be able to create your own. Now let's see how you can be doing this. So for example, you see ChatGPT here, I have ChatGPT 4. So now if I want to be creating this bot like ChatGPT 4, like Claude Plus, you can see like this one instant. Also they are going to be on now helping me to create this bot. For example, let me start chatting with this bot I created for myself by using this platform. So if I type, for example, hey, how are you doing? So you see now they are also, it is going to be responding me as well. I'm just on a language model, so I don't have feelings like humans do, but also I'm here to assist you and answer any questions you may have. How can I assist you today? So now as you see, let's now click on this option to create our own bot. So I click on this one. So after clicking on this one, they are also telling me to upload the picture of my chatbot. So you need to insert a picture of your bot. After inserting a picture of your bot, you need to name your bot. So now, for example, let me also name it bot chat. So write this one as my bot. Also now you need to be inserting the description of your bots if you have any. Now you need to choose whether I use API or use also anything else. These are GDPR, Power Platform.api.io. So you need also to choose now to what the instant or references are going to be referring to. If you want to be choosing this one, you need to choose API. Also you're going to be using it through here. But also if you want to be using the prompt chat bots, which is like the ChatGPT here and Claude Plus, you're going to be referring to For example, let me click on this ChatGPT, which means that's going to be generating the information like ChatGPT. Our conversation with this body will be starting with the prompt, but will not be visible for. Now you need to be also starting the prompts here. For example, hey, how can I help you? Can I help you? So now you can be able to fill the prompt, depends on what you have to fill it here. So don't consider what I'm filling here. You need to be also now filling the prompt depending on what you're going to be seeing here. So prompt visible from both profile, you can be able to disable it. After this, you need to input intro message, which is there. Also, it is an optional one, but also you can be able to put an intro message. How can I help you? You can see now how it will be visible to the people who will be chatting with these chatbots. So depends on how which one you have written, also going to be visible also to the person you have written to. After this, you want to be clicking on create bot. So if I hit on create bot, it's going to be creating my bot. As you can see, I have bot here. You can see this is bot chat. Now I name this bot chat, and also I can be able to now. You see now, once I immediately open this bot, it's going to be also generating the new prompt message or the intro message that I have inserted there. So for example, let me ask it to be providing me the information that I want. So for example, hey. So if I type hey, you can see hello. How may I assist you today? You can see that is chatting. So can you give me the types of business ideas today? So now you see I asked you the questions. Can you give me the types of business ideas today? Certainly here you can see that is also starting counting everything. It is providing me the information I want. As you can see, I can be able to get the information from this now chatbot I created. So once you see this chatbot, you can be able to edit it. You can be able now to customize it. You can be able now to give followed. You can be able to delete it. So as you can see now, now there is your name here, which shows that you are the one who have also operated it. You have operated it, but also you have used these features which are here to generate your own bot. So as even you have bots, also you can need now terms and conditions of use. So this bot uses a model that is powered by OpenAI. You can see now it is using the power now powered by OpenAI. Now you have to read more here regarding how the information of how you are going to be using it. You see now these are Claude, these are search in the ChatGPT 10 to better our languages other than see the Dragonfly ChatGPT 4. You can see now you have information here, and also what you need is that you need to make sure that you use this bot in the right way. You have to do the terms and conditions of use so that you will be able to use this bot. So now you can see I can be able to come here. If I come to this my bot again, you see I can see my bot here. I click here. If I click here now, I can be able to see following. I can be able to share bots. For example, let me now share this bot and open this here in this new window. So if I open this new window, I'm going to be getting it. So if for example I come here and open it into now here where I'm not logging into this, I'm going to be required to be logging in so that I can be able to talk to this bot. For example, I can talk to this bot. So if I do this, you see that now they are asking me to log in. So which means that I can be able to log in and talk to this bot easily. So now it doesn't require you to be having further skills to be able to craft this, because I'm going to be using this knowledge or these resources from these other AIs or OpenAI system to get your own bot. So in this so what is going to be allowing you to do is to be able to get your own bot, to be able to name it, to be able also to customize it, but also you see you are using the effort, or you are referring to the prompt of ChatGPT or Claude plus AI. So now thank you for watching this video. How can you be creating your own chatbot by using ChatGPT. So now, as you generated this AI, which means that you referred to ChatGPT or Claude. Also, you can be able to explore more bots here and see how it is being done. You can see now those are bots that have been created. You can see people who created the bots here, and you can see the followers they are having. So you can see now these are bot where you plan your trip. You can see now those are types of bot that have been created, so which means that you can be now among the persons who can be creating their bots. For example, you can see someone, anyone, please. You see now these are created by this person, so I can be able to chat here. So this bot have been also, you can see now it gives me the message immediately. You see, greetings, weary traveler, I'm curious time standard explorer from far future now, see lady in past, hardness skin. I walk in this dark and water looked place. All I tell you, I'm trapped in an ancient sunken laboratory tip beneath the waves. The facility is terrible experiments still in their cages and tanks. My mission recorder is smashed. Memory damaged. Escape seems impossible, but you appear a glimmer of hope. My options: venture further, hunt close to my past, and these places fail purpose. Seek higher ground, chance of rescue signal. Shut my ears, play this nightmare ends. Please run, choose my path. You can see now this is the customer information that he have provided, which means that you can be able to use this ChatGPT marketing strategies, whether we can want to be sharing this to you. Also, we'll be seeing how you can be able to use this to market your business, to market other services by using these bots. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel Nomax TV, and turn on the bell button so as you always get notified when we upload new video here at Nomax TV. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.